Guy Fawkes led the gunpowder plot in 1605. It was a plan to blow up King James I and his government. Fawkes and his group put 36 barrels of gunpowder in the cellars under the House of Parliament in London, ready to set off a massive explosion. One of the members of the group sent a letter to his friend who worked in Parliament, warning him to stay away on November the 5th. The King's supporters got hold of the letter and the plot was rumbled.
Oh my God, well, look at this!
The guards broke into the cellars where the gunpowder plotters were waiting.
Hey! Hands up! You're on arrest.
They were arrested and the king sent for their execution. In celebration for their victory over the plotters, King James I ordered the great bonfires to be lit in celebration.
Be a bonfire now! Yay!